Fanvue tutorial, full setup, chatting, payout, and earnings guide for beginners. Want to start earning on Fanvue but don't know where to begin? Let's walk you through the full setup. First is go ahead and sign up for an account on Fanvue. So go ahead and head over to fanvue.com, set up for an account, verify your identity, and set up your profile. So in here, go ahead and head over to your profile. And then on your profile, go ahead and add a profile picture, banner, and bio, and set your subscription price. Beginners often start at $5 to $15 per month. Now, after that, go ahead and upload photos, videos, or stories and use hashtags and categories to boost discoverability. Engage with fans through chat, send locked messages for pay per view, and respond quickly to build loyalty. Earn through subscriptions, pay per view, tips, bundles, and referrals. Diversify to maximize income. Set up payouts via bank transfer, Cosmo e wallet, or Mass Pay. Funds usually clear in 3 to 5 business days. Post consistently, promote your fan view on social media, and back up content before making changes. And that is your beginner's guide to fan view from setup to payout. Start building your audience today.